Well guys, let's go with the first exercise. Very easy, nothing much. You just need to know basic multiplication, nothing much, and the way to write what is asked in the question. Okay, it says evaluate the following and write which number is the cube of which other number. Okay, let's go ahead. When I write 3 cube, we know a 3 cube can also be written as 3 into 3 into 3. I take 3 and multiply it 3 times. That's it by itself. Cool. I get 3 into 3 into 3, that's 27. So how can I write this guy? I can just write 27 is the cube of 3. That is it, nothing much. Let's go with this guy. I can write 7 cube as like 7 times and 7. That's like 343. You can get that, see. All right. Now, how do you write this guy? I can write 343 is the cube of 7. That's all about it. Let's go with this guy. When I talk about let's say 4 cube, that's like 4 times 4, which is like 64. How do you write this guy? I can write 64 is the cube of 4. That is it, very simple. So these 3 are pretty small numbers, so we can just do it directly. What about numbers like this? We may have to multiply it. Okay, let's check it out. I will erase this for you. That's easy. We're going to talk about 9 cube, so I'll just take 9 cube. I will write this guy is like 9 times and 9. Now the best way is, if you cannot remember the cubes, multiply this to we know the square number. 9 times 9 is like 81, so I can write 9 into 81. All right, or else I'll write the other way around. So multiply these two guys like 81 times 9. That's it. Now multiply this. 9 ones is 9 and 1, and 9 8 is how much? 72. So you get 729 is the answer. So I understand that 729 is the cube. All right, the cube of what? Cube of 9. That's how we write in words. Okay, let's do the next problem here. It talks about 11 cube. So when I write 11 cube, I can also write like 11 times 11 times 11. So let's multiply these two guys. We know 11 times 11 is 121. Squares are easy. So 121, we're done with this. Now we need to multiply this with another 11 and try to get the answer. That would be the cube of 11. Let's go ahead. So with 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 2 is 2, again 1 times 1 is 1. Cool, we understand that. Again is 1, 2 and 1. We know this guy. So that is 1, 3, 3 and 1. So what do you understand this? 1331 or 1331 is the cube. It's the cube of 11. That's how it is. Let's go with this guy. That's 15 cube. So I'm just writing 15 cube as what? 15 times 15. And if you guys are good at what is exactly 15 cube or 15 squared at least, if you can multiply this, if you don't know the square of 15, multiply it. Let's check. At 15 times 15. How do you go ahead? 5 is 25, 2, 5, that is 7. Okay. Again, 5 times 5 or 1 times 5 is like 5 and 1. You get like what? That is 5 as like 2 as like 2. 225 is the square of 15, or 15 times 15 is 225. We got it. Now that's only 2 of them, right? So I can write, instead of, let's say, instead of these 2 guys, I can just write 225. That's 225 times 15. So let's see how to multiply these guys. Okay. 5 is 25, 2 carried 10, that is 2, 1 again 10, that is 11. Got it? So now I get like 5, 2 and 2. You got to be fast in your multiplications. I'm very sure you guys are good at that. All right, let's go ahead and answer, guys. That's 5, 7, 3 and 3. So that's 3,375, which is the cube of, I can write 3,375 is the cube. Is the cube of 15. So now we understand how to find the cube. Just take that number and multiply it twice by itself. We get it, and we can write it like this, that this number is the cube of, where is that from? That is it.